In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple cards at once in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows. But when your board starts to fill up with cards you no longer need, it can get overwhelming. Unfortunately, Trello doesn't offer a direct way to delete multiple cards at once. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that allows you to achieve the same result quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can clean up your Trello boards and keep them clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open your Trello board and create a new list specifically for the cards you want to delete. You can name this list something like To Delete or Remove. The name doesn't matter too much, as long as it's clear that this list is temporary and will only be used for organizing the cards you'd like to get rid of. Next, go through your board and move all of the cards you want to delete into this new list. You can move cards by simply clicking and dragging them into the list, or by opening each card, selecting Move from the options, and choosing the new list as the destination. Make sure you've added all the unwanted cards to this list before moving on to the next step. Once you've done that, look at the top right corner of your new list and locate the three dots icon. This is the menu for managing your list. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Archive this list. This step will remove the list along with all the cards it contains from your active board and send it to the Archived Items section. Don't worry, the list isn't permanently gone yet. We'll delete it completely in the next few steps. Now look at the top right corner of your Trello board and click on the three dots icon again. This time you're accessing the board's main menu. From this menu, select Archived Items. This will take you to a section where you can manage all the lists and cards you've archived. Once you're in the Archived Items section, you'll notice that it defaults to showing archived cards. Since we're working with a list, you'll need to switch the view, look for the option that says Switch to Lists, and click on it. This will display all the lists you've archived, including the one you just created. Now, locate the archived list you made earlier, the one that contains all the cards you want to delete. Once you've found it, click on the list to open its details. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on it, and Trello will permanently remove the list, along with all the cards it contains from your board. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you've double-checked everything before confirming the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple cards at once in Trello by using this quick and effective method. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your tasks today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.